Okay, we're on problem number 38 now. Get another decimal problem. And let's start by just dealing with the decimal, all right? So let's put this down. It's going to be minus 28.3 plus 15x, and this is 40.1. I would add 28.3 to both sides. You would get 15x, and this is going to give you 68.4. And then what do? You divide both sides by the variable's numerical coefficient, which would be 15, and you get x equals, and it looks really inappropriate. It looks like you get a decimal divided by a whole number. So I'm just going to try to get a decimal out of it. And let me put this down for you. So 15, 68.4, and I'm going to say 4 right off the bat because that gives me 60. And then you get 8, and that's certainly less than 15. Then you get 84, and then I'm going to say, looks like about 5. And 5 times 15 is 50, and 25, which is 75. And then what do you get there? You get 9. And that's 90. I'm going to add 0 to that. And what times 15 will give you 90 is 6. 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 5 is 30. Certainly gives you 90. Remainder of 0. So I get 4.56. All right, so that's one way to do it. All right, now certainly another way to do it. I'm going to get my eraser out. And we got an answer of 4.56, just like in the K. Let's put it another way down. So minus 28.3 plus 15x, and I can multiply both sides by 10. The reason for that, it gets rid of the decimal point. What do you get over there? Minus 283 plus 150x, and then you get over here 401. What do you do now? Add 283 to both sides. Oops, sorry about that. I didn't mean to do that. Go backwards. Add 283, not divide. And what do you get there? 150x equals, that's going to give you 4. That gives you an 8 and a 6, all right? And, certainly, either way is problematic, by the way. Divide by 150, and then you get x equals 684 over 150. And what I would recommend you do here is, they're both even numbers, and certainly you could just divide by 2 and see what happens. And what do you get over there? You get 75 on bottom, and you would get 342 on top. All right? Let me just take a look at the top number. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You know what? I know the divisible by 3 now. And 3 goes into 75 25 times. And 3 goes into 342. 1, that gives you 3. Drop the 4 down. 1, that gives you 3. Subtract that to get 12. So 114 times. And so I'm going to say the answer there is 114 over 25. Now, granted, that's a decimal number. This is not a decimal number. Sage, you're going to find remarkable. If it can give you an exact answer, it doesn't want to give you a decimal, because decimals do look approximations. But anyway, it gives you 114 over 25. Sage's preference. Actually, my preference is also that, all right? I don't really like looking at the decimal. I'd rather write down as a ratio of integers. Thank you.